Hey, hello there. So today's Leetcode challenge question, it's called reverse string. We need to write a function that reverse a string. The input string is given as an array of characters. That's because in many programming languages like Python, Java, JavaScript, the string are immutable. So all we can do is to create a new copy. We couldn't modify the characters within a string in a lot of the popular programming languages. So that's why it's given us an array of characters. So the question asks us for a constant space in place of swapping, basically, for the solution to this. So we're just going to have two pointers. One points to the first, one points to the last, and just swap their values and move them towards the middle. Once they meet each other in the middle, we're done. So yeah, so just going to do a loop here. So we try to move the left pointer towards the middle. What I'm going to do is just swap the first the eyes character with the eyes from the other side. So after this for loop, we should be able to reverse everything. Alright, so that's it. Single one line, legitimately in place swapping, yeah, with a for loop. Yeah, so that's it for today. Pretty simple.